Weather Authority. Now we do want to take just a minute and say sorry for those technical difficulties at the top of our show. Turning to weather now, we are tracking rain moving into central Indiana as we are taking a live look over downtown Indy. A cloudy day for sure. And you can see that system there, live Guardian radar. Chief Meteorologist Brian Wilkes has more on our Monday night forecast.
Yeah, looks like we decided to celebrate Halloween a little early back there in the control centers where some ghosts and goblins and gremlins have been active. Boy, we've got a wonderful team of engineers and we're back and ready to go here. Hope you're having a great Monday afternoon. It is a dreary one now as it's turned awfully cloudy and it's been gray all day, but light rain has begun to fall. That's our view from Broad Ripple this afternoon. Raindrops are falling on the north side, here on the northwest side within the office park up at 71st Street and 465. We've got rain showers in the area. Rain is fairly light. It runs from just south of Fort Wayne to the northwest side of Indianapolis, then increases to a more steadier rain down in Sullivan County. This isn't a long-lived rain, but it will be around for the evening commute, likely dissipating as we get closer to midnight, though we are looking at some rainfall amounts have been on the light side so far down to Vigo County. We're not expecting any severe weather out of this. Remember, we had some heavier thunderstorms on Friday. We've been able to dry out in central Indiana, but boy, are we running cool. The numbers at this hour are below 50 degrees. That's the normal high temperature for November the 21st. This is an afternoon that feels a little bit more like Thanksgiving than the days approaching Halloween. Our afternoon temperature should still be in the low to mid 60s at points. Well, we're not going to get to that point for several more days, though the temperatures, look at that, are quite chilly as you go up I-65. It's only 44 in Monticello, and our neighbors to the north in northwest Indiana, Rensselaer, is only at 37 degrees. There's some real winter out there, though we're not expecting to get into some very cold air. We will have a chilly rain falling here this evening. The numbers are in the upper 40s at Plainfield and Greencastle. Our high temperature hasn't cracked the 50-degree mark, and if that's the case, well, that would be the first time since May the 11th that our high temperature doesn't get above 50 degrees. On average, we'll have our first sub 50-degree afternoon around the 21st of October, so it's not that out of the realm or out of question to have an afternoon this chilly in late October. Well, we are above 50 in Muncie and Shelbyville, but there's a north wind at 6 miles per hour. No wind gusts, but we are actually introducing the rain chances here, so it will be a chilly feel throughout the rest of the night. And the temperatures are headed into the upper 30s and lower 40s by daybreak Tuesday. You know, October can turn on a dime. Remember, it wasn't but a few days ago that we were well into the 80s. The temperatures this afternoon have dropped to highs only in the 40s, and the rain continues to slide up from the north. But feast your eyes on that. That's snow across Missouri and western Illinois. In fact, freezing rain, icing conditions are developing across parts of Oklahoma. A new product that we've been using and have already shown so far this season is a winter storm severity, an impact index, showing the areas shaded in some light blue are limited, but as you get down towards Oklahoma City and parts of the panhandle of Texas and New Mexico, there's enough cold air and moisture to create icing conditions for what will be moderate to even some major impact by severe weather for winter weather. In fact, winter advisories extend into nearby parts of Missouri, and there's the ice storm warning that's out for even including the city of Oklahoma City. Crazy. Well, the numbers, look at that. It's 27 in Wichita. We're on the warmer side, if you want to use air quotes for that matter, but we're not going to get any frozen precipitation here. Just a cold rain falling through 10 o'clock tonight. In fact, the balance of the overnight will be rain-free, but some patchy light rain and a few more showers will be in the area again on Tuesday from time to time. And once again, a day that will likely not feature a high temperature above the 50-degree mark. Doesn't mean we're done with warm-up and warming temperatures. We will get to some milder air here by Wednesday, climbing back into the upper 50s. But areas that are still very desperate for rainfall since mid-August, which includes Bloomington, that's running almost 7 inches below average, has a shot at picking up maybe a third of an inch of rain. No, do not try to adjust your television at home. That is actually 15 degrees, the actual current temperature in Denver, Colorado right now. You cannot find much of the normal temperatures, let alone even above average temperatures across the nation as this cold air continues to flow into the central portion of the nation. And our high temperatures tomorrow will be a full 15 degrees, 12 to 15 degrees below average as the jet stream takes this dive into the eastern half of the nation. There will not be much of a warm-up here for the next several days. The final week of October will include temperatures well below average, but we do see some improvement as we head towards the latter part of the work week. 39 tonight. The showers will diminishing after midnight, and tomorrow's temperatures only recover to the upper 40s. The 7-day forecast does include a warm-up Wednesday, but more rain and wind Thursday, Friday. It looks outstanding for Halloween, though it could be below freezing Saturday morning and perhaps even upper 20s outlying. It looks to be a sunny weekend, but falling temperatures expected again on Sunday. Probably the best of the next 7 days will be for Halloween Saturday with a high of 54.
All right.